Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching our content. We'll be trying something new with this video. Part 1 will be us working on the car on the G, and part 2 will be me putting a new ECU in my Tesla. So if you're more interested in that, just go ahead and skip to that. I will put the bookmarks in. Thank you so much and enjoy the content.
Just make sure these brakes are ass, and remember this car is heavy, so don't send it into a turn because we might not make it. Woo, baby. Oh, nice. Remember these tires are also ass too, so I don't want it to
Everything's ass.
Yeah, I don't want the tires to explode on us.
I do a pistol squat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, if I got my fat ass, the engine would just falling straight through.
Nah, let me do it then.
All lights are coming on.
That's what I'm saying, man. Yeah, you gotta wiggle it left and right. Just.
God damn.
It's like almost ready.
Like it's in the position it needs to be in.
I'm gonna get behind you. Oh boy. Damn, look at all these spider webs. Oh.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Oh god.
Just keep banging.
Well, it's definitely on there now. These tires have like 0 life on them. I'm surprised it didn't explode when we drove over here.
You just have to.
There it is. Perfect.
Suck it out.
Yep. Oof, look at that smoke. Oh. Nice.
To the streets where you belong.
Look at the wire. Oh, look at that tread. Oh, that's so good.
In comparison, that's a
We were
toy.
driving on these.
I know. Oh my god, look, dude.
Oh, it's
Oh
cracked.
my god. How did this not kill us?
I don't know.
We're still test driving it, right?
Oh no, man, that's really sus.
We need to clean it.
Clean it, we need to get rid of this thing. And experience the knuckle, the crunch.
The knuckle patch.
Yeah.
It's not working. I think he's just hitting something.
Kevin almost ate shit.
I almost went through the wall.
I don't even know what that cracking noise was, but oh. Yeah. Nah, we don't need that. You gonna back it up and drive around the block? Yeah, we can. Just around the block, in the neighborhood.
Yeah, we're just gonna like down the road and back.
Yeah. You wanna all fit in there?
Yeah.
I'll be in the back. Here. Just roll down the seat.
Yeah, pull the lever. Yes.
Oh yeah, you know.
Oh wait, where's the?
Yeah, it's as you know, that's
Oh.
it works.
Maybe.
Yo, this didn't work before.
Oh.
We fixed it.
I think I swapped the fuse and it worked.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Hey,
It wasn't working before.
Hey.
Oh my god, I'm so happy that works now. Dude, I think we just solved a lot of electrical issues.
Alright, damn, this is tight.
No, it's not.
No, if we can only start the electrical time.
Yeah, we get in an accident, I'm dead.
No, you're not. You have a seatbelt. A seatbelt's fine.
No, the glass in my head.
Dude, this door is scary, bro.
Yeah, the front seat is on my knees.
It's just metal.
Yeah, I wanted to wrap these with like tape or something so that you can like, grab them comfortably.
So I can get some tetanus when I just... Oh boy. The maiden voyage. Past 4,000 RPM today, huh?
That's the goal.
Oh yeah, that's a goal.
Really bad.
We gotta make sure that we don't get pulled over.
I'm done.
So what happened was that the car threw a P0345 code, and that was to signify that the new sensor we put in was great, but the old one, the cheap one that we put in from last time, broke, which meant that we had to put another one back in and spend more money since only the OEM ones work. Remember, don't cheap out on engine sensors.
Especially now, we learned our lesson now.
Yeah, not again. Oh, I mean,
Like we can.
we roll out only $15.
Yeah, we can cheap out on other things, but when it comes to
return it?
No.
No.
God damn it, man.
Well, now we know how to do this one too, though.
You want to just leave the hood on?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, just leave it
don't
on
put
because it makes no sense.
Actually, we'll just put it on because Adele's mom might need to get back there. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's be nice.
Turn the fan off. Yeah. Turn the fan off.
This is what we go to the gym for, so we can put a hood on and off of a piece of shit car.
Ready?
Okay.
It's whatever. It's fun.
Yeah.
It won't slow up.
That's unplugged, so that's good.
Let's get chicken.
Yeah, let's get some chimkin. Some chimkin.
Mister.
Yeah, get your 500 milligrams of caffeine.
Nice.
Let's go, baby.
This is the one I don't.
To the battery terminal, so we just need to loosen it with that wrench.
If I get electrocuted, it was nice doing that. Yeah.
It's the
All right.
bottom right.
God, this car was so cheap.
The fuck? Hey, don't die there.
The glue like started, keeps the mold in place. So when you put Fred on this.
Yeah, baby.
You taking insurance fine.
Take this little plastic covers off. My back.
Oh yeah,
Alright, we're gonna just take these little guys off. Yes. This guy, just go. Beep. Yeah. Plug back in. Oh, you got it. I know that clip was really hard to get off. I had to use a screwdriver to flick it out.
Is this what slaves felt like?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
No, you can't use
That's
that
gonna be
footage.
that's gonna be bleeped out. I can bleep out things really easily though.
Oh,
Yeah?
oh, thank God.
Oh my God, you got it.
Oh,
Yeah, you got it.
not the glove.
In the fire, they have to crawl out the front, or they just die in the back.
Wait, there's no way. There has to be.
There has to be. I just don't know. It's okay. I can pull the I can connect the battery back, and it'll work. It's in the front. It's in the front, not in the back.
Chupapi manana.
I think so. I think it's. Yeah. Okay. Wow, this is a ass quality.
Disgusting.
I will fix this when we plug the battery back in.
Once we get in the back seat.
Moment of truth. Yes, it's enabled. Well, let's see. Oh, it is charge point. Okay. This bad boy is massive. All right. So it's like a regular charge point, I think. So I think I hit this. Okay, let's try that again. And then do this. It wasn't fully secure, that one. Is it?
Charging.
Wait, charging stop.
Wait, now it has to do it.
There we go.
Is it charging now?
Starting to charge.
Bro, let's go! Let's go!
Yo, that's 100. Oh, it passed 200.
I'm so glad. Oh, my trunk's still open.